Hello, I'm Dominic Kane, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a door open in Unreal. So the first thing we're going to do is go to your content folder, go to your starter content, find props, find the door frame, go to your asset actions, create a blueprint for that, call it whatever you want to call it, and we're here. So from here, you want to go to your static mesh, and you want to copy it, and then you want to paste a new one, and then go to your first static mesh, click on it, and then go to add component, get a box collider or collision, and then you have that. Now you want to size that up to the size of the door. Alright, so now from there, you go to the one you copied, and you want to make this into a door now. So you go here, should be right above it, and now you have a door. Line it up with the door frame. Now go to your event graph. You have all the stuff here. Just delete it. You don't need it. So you go to your box. You want to drag it in. Actually, nope, my bad. When you go to your box, you want to go to you click on your box, and then you go to add event for the box. Then you go to add collision. Then you go to add begin overlap. And then you want to click on the box again and then add another one for end overlap. Alright, so now that you have these two, first thing you do is drag this out and you get enable input. Enable input, and then we're going to need for this one, you need disable input. Now we need a player controller. Connect the player controller to both of the player controllers on the disable enable, and you're done with the first part. Now the second part, if you come down here, you want the key you need to open the door. So we'll just use Q, and then when you have Q here, then you need to get a timeline. Add a timeline, and then from there we got to go to update. Oh, before that, actually, you got to create your timeline, and then so what you do here, I'll zoom out real quick so you see the whole timeline. You can have it as fast as you want it, or however long you want to make your door open, but I'm gonna make it like 2 seconds. So you're gonna right click, you're gonna add a key point, make sure it's 0, and make sure your value is 0, which it is, and then you go to your 2-second mark. If you're doing it at 2 seconds, you add another one. Oh, make sure it's 2 seconds. Hit enter for that, and then the next thing you want to do is make sure the value is 2. Oh, my bad. It's 90. Make sure the value is 90. And you want to click zoom to fit and fit horizontal. And then from there, you want to select both key points and right click on one of them, and then go to auto, and you're good. So compile, save that, go back to your event graph, and then you want to drag out update, and you want to grab set relative rotation. You want to set relative rotate, or relative transform rather. With this, well, rather, you can just do that too, actually. I forgot about that. Just an easier way of doing it. So get this back, set relative. There you go. Take update, put it onto there. You also need to drag out new track, and you want to get a make rotator, Once you get that, you want to take the return value, bring it to, it's supposed to, hold up, I messed up somewhere. Alright, so from static mesh, there it is. Grab the wrong one. Put update back to that, and then you want to delete this track, and you want to put it to the Z one, and you're good here. That's what it should look like. And then we go back to the game. You want to go to your content, your blueprints folder, you find your door, put it out there, you hit play. Where's the door at? Go up to it. We use Q, so you hit Q. There you go, and it opens. It's pretty easy. That's about it. Thank you, and that's how you make a door open.